another one. I am here, back in effect, very Junior Mafia-like with lime. If I don't look like I'm stepping out the crush on you video, I don't know really what I'm giving y'all or why I would even give it to you. So, thank you so much for coming on back to our channel. I'm so excited that you guys are here. If you're new to our channel, do me a favor, drop down, subscribe, join our support group as we grow and change lives one good week at a time, honey. So we are here with a brand new unit. This unit is BYD Lace Halo, and we have her in the color lime, if you have not guessed already. I am hitting you all with the low light. I'm giving you low light love today, okay? This unit is a preset frontal hairline. So take a look at the baby hairs, and the hairline is really nice. She's kind of pre-plucked. She has a 5-inch center deep hand tied part, and she's about 20 inches in length. I'll turn around for you guys. This unit is going for like $37, I think about $37.99 on most of the hair sites. I received this unit from Zuri Sis because, you know, we family or whatever. And I am... See, the problem is, so you ever feel like you get a unit, right? But you got it in a certain color. And you can't tell if you like it or not because it's in a certain color. My face is itching, y'all. Forgive me. That's kind of what I'm experiencing right now. Yes, I know, girl. Hey, girlfriend, thank you for telling me my earring ain't on. Thank you, sis. I know I had to snap her out right quick. But this unit, I did a little bit of work to be quite honest. I had to add heat to her. I had to lay her down. I had to pluck her apart. For $37.99, I did kind of think that was a lot of maintenance, especially because I did another unit, same exact collection, and I did absolutely no work too. So I'm not sure about the consistency, but I'm giving y'all Oompa Loompa Doopity Doo. What movie is that from? If y'all don't know what movie that is from, give me your parents' number. Because I'm going to talk to them about your childhood. Okay? Because we're going to have to really talk about that. But, yeah. I think what it is for me, guys, is the layers. I think it's a little too layery for this color. I'm sure somebody will look amazing in it. Yep, I'm giving you a balloon. I'm sure somebody will look amazing in it. But because I'm a brown girl living in a brown Barbie world, you know what though? She's screaming right now. Maybe I should have just left her alone. What are you guys thinking? How do you guys feel about her? What are you guys going to be for Halloween? Give me some outfit suggestions. Come on back and hang out with your girl, okay? As we go through these units and have fun with these colors. I know I give y'all color like once every quarter, but I'm trying to do better with my life, y'all. I'm trying to give y'all a little shim to chew on, okay? So thank you so much for coming on through. Maybe I got her too far back. What don't I like about this wig, y'all? I just can't tell. I can't tell, and I think that's the biggest issue for me. Whether or not I want going on. So come on back, hang out with your girl, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.